So let's see how you'll solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So this is the most foolproof way of solving a quadratic equation. And basically you have a standard quadratic equation form. And basically you'll have to use this simple formula to get the values of x. Now, this is called the quadratic formula, and we have this example here. So you can see that the value of A here is 6, the value of B here is +1, and the value of C here is -15. So you have these three values, and basically you'll plug these values into this equation here to get the values of x. So this is what you'll get when you plug in -b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and so you get -1 plus minus under root 361 divided by 12. So this becomes -1 plus minus 19 over 12. So you'll get two values of x depending on whether you take 19 as positive or if you take 19 as negative. So if you take 19 as positive, you'll get x is equal to 3 by 2, or if you take 19 as negative, you get x is equal to -5 by 3, and that's how you use the quadratic formula.